The objective within this lesson is to solve problems involving fraction division. Mrs. Silverstein bought 3 mini cakes for a birthday party. She cuts each cake into quarters and plans to serve each guest 1/4 of a cake. How many guests can she serve with all her cakes? Let's draw a model. This represents all of her cakes. And there's 3 of them. And then we're going to cut each cake into quarters. Three divided by 1/4 equals 12. There's 4/4 in a hole and 12/4 in 3 holes. Mrs. Silverstein can serve 12 guests, 1/4 of a cake, Mr. Pham has 1/4 pan of lasagna left in the refrigerator. He wants to cut the lasagna into equal slices so he can have it for dinner for 3 nights. How much lasagna will he eat each night? Let's draw a tape diagram. First draw it so that we have 1/4. That's the amount of lasagna that he has remaining and left over. The whole thing would be 1. Then we draw an arrow. And we still have a 1/4 there. And we divide the 1/4 into the 3 for the 3 nights. All the other ones would be the same way. So we would have 1/4 divided by 3, which equals 1/12. He will have 1/12 of lasagna each night. With our thought bubble, 1/4 divided by 3 is the same as 3/12 divided by 3, which is the same as 1/12. The perimeter of a square is 1/5 meters. Find the length of each side in meters. So we have a square. We're trying to find the length of a side, and we know that the perimeter is equal to 1/5 of a meter. All 4 sides are equal, so a side length should be 1/5 divided by 4. 1/5 divided by 4 is equal to the side length. Draw a tape diagram to represent what we're doing. Whole thing's 1. We're taking 1/5, and we're dividing that 1/5 by 4. So that's 20ths. 1/5 divided by 4 is equal to 1/20th of a meter. The length of each side is 1/20th of a meter. Next asked, 1/20th of a meter equals how many centimeters? 1/20th of a meter is equal to 1/20th times 1 meter. And we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. I can cancel the 100, cancel the 20 to become a 1. 100 becomes a 5. So it's 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 centimeters. Each side is 5 centimeters. A pallet holding 5 identical crates weighs 1/4 ton. How many tons does each crate weigh? And then how many pounds does each crate weigh? Let's start with the tape diagram. For A, we have 1 ton and we have 1/4 of a ton. On the pallet weighs 1/4 of a ton. Take that 1/4 of a ton and divide it into 5. All the other quarters also would be divided into 5s. So we have 1/4 divided by 5 equals 1/4 divided by 5 equals 5/20 divided by 5, which equals 1/20. Each crate weighs 1/20 of a ton. For B, how many pounds does each crate weigh? 1/20 of a ton is equal to 1/20 times 1 ton. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So that's 1/20 times 2,000 pounds. I can cancel the 20, cancel the 2,000. 2,000 becomes 100, and 20 becomes 1. So that each crate weighs 100 pounds.